Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So this next week is going to be crazy hectic because it's my busiest week of the whole entire year because it's school formal season. For those that don't know what school formal is, it's basically like prom if you're from America. So yesterday no, 2 days ago, I actually set up my tripod and filmed a couple of my clients. I think I had 3 or 4, but this week, it's Monday today, it's going to be hectic. So I probably will have like 2 or 3 formal vlogs coming up. So yeah, I didn't do an intro or anything for the others, so if you randomly see me in a different outfit, that's from the other day. So what I'm gonna do again, because I actually quite liked it, is I'll put my camera on the tripod and then I like stop and start like every stage of like eyes, lips, eyebrows, base. I do like a few minutes of it and then I stop and start, and then I'll put it all together in one massive vlog. So I hope you guys enjoy these next couple of formal vlogs. I love formals. Like, it's definitely my favorite time of the year and definitely my favorite type of makeup to do. It's just amazing doing fresh young faces, and most of the girls hardly really wear makeup because they're so young. When I spin them around and show them for the first time, they make my heart melt. It's so cute. Yeah, I'm not gonna put any makeup on, can't be bothered. But yeah, I'm just wearing like a little crop top and some leggings. I just washed my hair, so now it is 9:30 and my first client's at 10. So I need to get moving. So I hope you guys enjoy these next couple of formal girl vlogs, and I will probably speak to you guys after today.
Got a bed, put your name on it. Put your name on it. Got a kiss, put your name on it. Put your name on it.
Like the attention, girl, I know you. But you're everything I want in life. We're fighting danger like kung fu. The love I feel is deep inside. The others don't matter. It's honestly us against the world. We're the perfect team. You're my dream, and I just want it. Can't get to myself. Can't get to myself. Can't get to myself. To myself. Can't get to myself. Can't get to myself. Can't get to myself. To myself. Can't get to myself. Can't get to myself. To myself. Can't get to myself. Can't get to myself. Can't get to myself. Oh baby, if you ever need a helper, you should know that I'll be there day and night. Nobody else can love you better. I'm here just to treat you right. You're the reason I'm alive. You're the only pain I can endure. And when you're not here, you're my dream, but I just want it. Yeah, I just wanna. You're my dream, but I just want it. Can't get to myself. Can't get to myself. Can't get to myself. To myself. Can't get to myself. Can't get to myself. Can't get to myself. To myself. Can't get to myself. Can't get to myself. To myself. Can't get to myself. Can't get to myself. Can't get to myself. But I just want it.
Deep inside, I knew from the start, you my bunny, I'm your Clark. From now to eternity, I give you all my heart. We are meant to be, it's clear to see. My love is bigger than I thought. I got everything I want when I hold you with my arms. Now this don't matter, my love and my pleasure, the key to my treasure. Whatever's the weather, day up and night with you till I die. How many times for you I'ma try? Want you to notice the one and I know this perfect soulmate. I wanna show it my best friend. She saved my life, my happy end in hard times.
Oh baby, hug it to myself, hug it to myself, hug it to myself. But I just want it.
Can't get to myself. Can't get to myself. Can't get to myself. To myself. Can't get to myself. Can't get to myself. Can't get to myself.
I just want
Okay.
it.
Can't get to myself. Can't get to myself. Can't get to myself. To myself. Can't get to myself. Can't get to myself. Can't get to myself.
Oh baby.
Hey guys, so I just finished up my clients at the salon. Let me know if you like this style where I, you know, stick the camera on a tripod and it's all like still, whereas do you prefer it if someone's actually holding the camera and like, you know, following me, doing different angles? Let me know which you like best, because obviously I'm just gonna do what you guys want to see. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this first formal vlog. I think I'll probably have like 2 to 3 because I have so many formal girls over the next few days. Yeah, I think I counted, I had like 70 clients this week, so I know, a lot of people, but yeah, I've been really enjoying vlogging there. Thumbs up if you love formal vlogs, and for those that live in America, school formal is just exactly like a school prom. So when they graduate, they have like a formal sort of event where they dress up in really pretty dresses. So yeah, it's literally the same thing. So yeah, thanks so much for watching again, and I will see you in my next videos. Bye!